peekaboo. Good girl. Say peekaboo. No? Okay. Well, I'll go and peekaboo. Dolly, peekaboo. We are learning peekaboo. And we think she said, I love you. Oh, there you are. Hello, Dolly. Do you say hello to good people? Hello, Dolly, pretty girl. Hello, good people. Sorry we've been away. I missed you all. We missed Dan's fish and going for a ride with blistering barnacle adventures. Oh, you okay? I'm getting a... Yeah, hello good people. We're getting a head rush. Upside down Dolly. Funny girl. Oh, you can hear the cicadas. Oh, around the corner there you can't see what she's doing. She's got a bell. And if she's got the shit, she'll take it out on the bell. It's very funny. See, yeah. Are you okay now? You had a little moment? Say hello, good people. Hello, good people. How was your day today? Happy Monday. Why are you having a drink? Where are you? I've lost you. There you are. Happy Monday, good people. I miss you all, guys. I'm sorry I've been away. And, yeah, I'm back, but I'm still very busy. Life calls, you know. It happens. Hey, Dolly. Say hello. Or would you like to say good night, good people? You can hear the cicadas. Good night, good people. She's watching TV. Becca's on. That's one of her favourites. And mine, of course. And many people's, I'm sure. Peekaboo, Dolly. Where are you? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's she gone? Oh, she's down there. Oh, she's sitting next to her little friend. Alright, that means it's time for her to have a bit of a rest. Just true. You see a little white friend there? And there she is. Like, I'm on the corner, guys. I'm sitting in a different spot. So she's over there. So it's a long way away, actually. Because, oh, yeah, there she is. Now she's watching TV. Alright, I'll get going. Happy Monday. Love to all. I'll catch us all soon. And take care. Bye, guys.